So today's weather video is a little bit different because we've been doing the shorts the entire time, and this time I thought, okay, well, that's cool. I've been doing a lot of them and very centered in Trollgare or, you know, around home, wherever we are. So add a little bit of context to this. I've just driven around across from Trollgare, and you can see here, Trollgare's over here, and we live over that side is Baltic Marina, and I've driven across the bridge through the old town and around this coast and all the way up over here, and I'm going to continue on going down this road until I get to basically the west or northwestern end of Sholta. This island is called Chiovo. Wow, I'm tired. This island is called Chiovo, which is attached to the mainland by 2 bridges. And we're going to check out what the weather's sitting at down there, because it has been a very grey day. There's definitely been a bit of rain around. And what I'm going to do is a little shot of this hill over here, because yesterday or the day before I shot this storm front roll in, this squall and things that came across, and it came across these hills over here and then punched in through over the city, and it was amazing. So what I'm trying to show here with this storm, and I'll show you now, is that these clouds here, this area was where the weather sort of came in down this side and then followed the hills and went up the coast into Karstala and across all of Chiova and everything. And it was so cool. It was as I was saying, it was just so cool to watch that storm front roll through. So we're going to continue on around to the other end and see what the weather's like on the other side. For context, out here on the bay, there's like an 8 to 10 coming straight at us from this direction, which was like northeast east. The movement of all the clouds is more south, so from the southeast moving this way at the moment. And we'll look at the weather map a little bit later on. Back to today's weather report. It is the 12th, Wednesday the 12th of December today. 12 degrees in Trollgare, and out where we are now, this will update in a second. It says it's raining. It's right, it's raining. Not a lot, but it's raining. And the water's quite nice. Well, it certainly wasn't deathly cold or anything like that. So 12 degrees and raining all day, pretty much exactly what we've had, and quite pleasant. And down here we've got that sort of 10 to 12 knots, and it's obviously very sheltered where I am at the moment, because it's sheltered in the lee of the land. Yeah, nice spot. We come here for the sunset sometime, because the sunset sets right out there. It's lovely. So another thing we do here in the winter is we swim every single week. We work on getting out at least once a week to have a swim, whether that's a great day or a not great day, but it's generally pretty good. So we have this group we call the Karstala Swim Club. Now, we don't live in Karstala anymore, but that's okay. And you can see all of those videos we've done over the time in a playlist here. That will also show you what the weather is like through the winter in Croatia. So let's get on to the next thing. And as you can see here on the weather map, we had this southeast flow, this really quiet flow turning into a southeast flow through the day, and it's going to switch around to the northwest overnight, and then we'll have northwest weather tomorrow. So that's our weather update for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you tomorrow. Back to the shorts though.